Hello everyone, ਸਤਿ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਅਕਾਲ ਸਾਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ। So ਅੱਜ ਇਹ video is going to be about BoxyCharm video because I have finally received my December package और ਇਹ December package मैं ਹਜੇ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਵੀ open नहीं ਕੀਤਾ। ਸੋ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨਹੀਂ ਪਤਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆ, ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵਧੀਆ ਸਟੱਫ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ ਘਟੀਆ ਸਟੱਫ ਹੋਏਗਾ ਜਾਂ mediocre ਹੋਏਗਾ, so I don't know. So the thing about BoxyCharm is ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੀ subscription ਲਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਆ, ਤੋ ਇਹਦੀ subscription ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ ਕਿ ਹਰ month ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦੇ 40 or $43 something like that pay ਕਰਦੀ ਆ। so $43 pay ਕਰਦੀ ਆ ਔਰ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮੈਨੂੰ 5 to 6 products ਮਿਲਦੇ ਨੇ ਹਰ month। ਇਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਵਰਕ ਕਰਦਾ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ ਸਮਟਾਈਮਸ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਹ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ BoxyCharm ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਜਾਂ ਤਾਂ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਹੀ ਭੇਜਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦਾ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਪੈਲੇਟਸ, ਹਾਊ ਮੈਨੀ ਪੈਲੇਟਸ ਯੂ ਵਾਂਟ, ਰਾਈਟ। ਸੋ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਕੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਜਦ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਸਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਕਰਦੇ ਹੋ ਤਾਂ ਸਾਈਨ ਅਪ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਤਲਬ ਕਿ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕਰ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ ਓਕੇ I want eyelashes or I want from lip gloss or mascara, I would like to have mascara rather than lip gloss. So same way ਇਸੇ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਉਹ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਕੁਛ 40 to 50 ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਪੁੱਛਦੇ ਨੇ ਜਿਹਦਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਨਸਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਤਾਂ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਜੋ ਆਪਣਾ ਤੁਹਾਨੂੰ ਬਾਕਸ ਮਿਲੇ ਉਹ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਮਿਕਸਡ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਹੋਣ, ਨਾ ਕਿ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਮੇਕਅਪ ਹੋਵੇ ਜਾਂ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਹੀ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਚੀਜ਼ ਇੱਕੋ ਹੀ ਕਨਸੈਪਟ ਦੀਆਂ ਚੀਜ਼ਾਂ ਹੋਣ। So how I did 50% makeup and 50% skincare. So ਮੇਰੇ box ਵਿੱਚ most of the time ਇਹੀ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਕਿ 50% makeup ਹੁੰਦਾ, 50% skincare ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ। and ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਵਧੀਆ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਸ ਨੇ ਕਿਉਂਕਿ for example ਮੇਰਾ Too Faced concealer ਮੈਂ ਜਿਸ ਮੰਥ ਵਿੱਚ Sephora ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਜਾ ਕੇ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆਂਦਾ ਸੀਗਾ which was almost around $40 or something, ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਇਹਦਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਬਾਕਸ ਦਾ $40 ਪੇ ਕਰਦੀ ਹਾਂ ਅਤੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਸੇ ਮੰਥ ਦੇ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ Too Faced ਦਾ ਕੰਸੀਲਰ ਮਿਲਿਆ ਸੀ। ਸੋ Too Faced ਦਾ ਕੰਸੀਲਰ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ I got my eyebrows, what was that thing, benefit ਦੇ ਬਰੋ ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ ਜੋ ਸਾਰੇ ਸਿਰਮਸ ਵਗੈਰਾ, ਈਵਨ ਕਿ ਮੈਂ ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਇਹ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਕਿ ਸਕਿਨ ਕੇਅਰ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸਿਰਮਸ ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਿਲਣ ਜਾਂ ਫਿਰ ਮੈਨੂੰ what do you say to mask ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਮਿਲਣ। ਸੋ ਮੈਂ ਸਿਰਮਸ ਐਂਡ ਮਾਸਕ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤੇ ਹੋਏ ਆ ਤਾਂ ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਉਹ ਵੀ ਮਿਲਦੇ ਰਹਿੰਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ। ਔਰ ਮੈਂ ਮਸਕਾਰਾਸ ਚੂਜ਼ ਕੀਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਵਾ rather than having nail paint or other nail related stuff because I don't do that. I don't even put nail polish. I used to do my nails but I'm done with it. So yeah, so December box, Christmas box, let's see ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਆਇਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ, ਕਿਉਂਕਿ ਹਰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਵੀ ਦੋ ਟਾਈਪ ਦੇ ਬਾਕਸਿਸ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ, ਸਬਸਕ੍ਰਿਪਸ਼ਨਸ ਲੈ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਤੁਸੀਂ। ਇਹ ਮੈਂ ਬੇਸ ਬਾਕਸ ਦੀ ਲਿੱਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਜੋ ਕਿ ਬਹੁਤ ਹੀ ਬੇਸਿਕ ਹੈ, ਔਰ ਦੂਸਰਾ ਹੈ ਲੂਕਸ ਬਾਕਸ, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਥੋੜ੍ਹਾ ਜਿਹਾ ਲੈਵਿਸ਼ ਸਟੱਫ ਹੁੰਦਾ, ਪ੍ਰੋਡਕਟ ਵੀ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੇ ਹਾਈ ਐਂਡ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਸ ਦੇ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਅਤੇ ਮਨੀ ਵੀ ਥੋੜ੍ਹੀ ਹਾਈ ਐਂਡ ਬ੍ਰਾਂਡਸ ਵਰਗੀ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ। ਸੋ
that's why I prefer this one.
Okay, so oh, I did wrong. Okay, let me go back. I should open it from here because that will give you better picture. Ignore that stupid noise because how did they do that? Maybe like that. Okay, so अगर मैं आज के दिन के खोल लेता पाए वीडियो पूरी कर सकते हैं। मैं सीजर्स क्यों नहीं लेके आंदी? ओके, सो क्योंकि मैं ऑलरेडी साइड तक खोल
देता but anyways that's how this box looks like for this month because it's Christmas, so it's more like a Christmassy glitz and bubbles and glitz. Okay, so on a first look it's a good stuff. Okay, so I got in this one obviously a palette like I was talking about, but I am getting this palette I think after 3 months now. Then Bella lashes, then there is Tarte mascara, MAC Cosmetics matte lipstick. I hope it's my favorite color. The original makeup eraser sponge. Okay, so in this one now, first one is this one, eyelashes. These are too dramatic for me. I don't go this one. I think I have applied these dramatic only on my wedding, but I'll see what can I do with this. Then there is magnetic eyeliner. That's interesting. And this one is also from Glam. That one was also from Glam. This is eyeliner, magnetic eyeliner. How does it look like? Oh, not bad. Okay. हालांकि मैं जो इस टाइप दे eyeliner ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਮੈਨੂੰ बहुत ਔਖੇ ਲੱਗਦੇ ਅਪਲਾਈ ਕਰਨੇ, but we'll see. At least there is eyeliner. And then I have this one. I'm sure this is a palette. Oh, nice colors, right? I don't have any palette with the pink color. This is my first palette with the pink color, even though whenever I apply eyeshadows, I use for the pink color eyeshadows, I use my blushes. So finally I have the pink color. Yeah. Oh, look at that. It's nice. Okay, let me see this one. This one is a mix of course, the glitters and the matte. This one is peach. Then I have little bit darker than that, which is orangish. This is nice. So this orange. Okay, then I have matte brown, obviously. So many of these. Oh, but look at that. Pigmentation is nice. Okay, then I have this golden. This golden. Then this is a base color, which is nothing. Okay, nice. I like this palette. Okay, then we have this one, sponge makeup eraser. So let's see, how does this look? Okay, so they have given this thing with it. Nice. Okay, sponges are never enough, right? But then this one is nice case for this. Okay, I like that. Okay, now I hope they send me pink or purple color. It doesn't look like pink or purple, but this one is shade chili. Okay, and this is a full size. That's the best part. Look at that chili. Let me see. Oh, I actually like the color. But this one will be good for, I think, any party or something nowadays, because I don't go with the dark lipsticks anymore. But let's see, what's this one? What was that? Tarte mascara. This is a huge size mascara. I like that. Look at that. Oh my god, this is a really big size. So good job. I was about to order mascara from Amazon for my favorite volumized mascara. I love that one, so I was about to order. Okay, anyways, so these are the products I have received. So how many products I have? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah, I was saying it's 5 to 6 normally, and these ones I received this month, and last month it was, this month it's more about makeup. Last month it was more about skincare, because I received last month box I received my mask, and then I received serum, and yeah, it was more about skincare side, and this time it's more a makeup side. So see, these are the things, because I have chose lipsticks over the lip glosses, and I have chose eyelashes over something, and I have chose mascaras, but then I got eyeliner as well. It's good combination, eyeliner and mascara together. And then I have received sponge. Obviously, like last time I was talking about in my last video, that I have that Morphe sponge. It's been a year now I'm using it, and I used to love that. And now recently I got the Beauty Blender sponge, and I have this one. So obviously it's better, right? And then yeah, these shades are beautiful. I love these shades, all of them. It's a perfect blend of peaches, pinks, and then there is a slight brown, but then I love these peach pinks in it. So, and the lipstick also goes with them, right? So yeah, so that was all about my BoxyCharm box. And then also what you can do is, when your month's order is gone, right, when they are preparing your box, that time there's usually on their website they will ask you that, okay, if you want to add all these good brands like MAC and Tarte, and even there is Huda Beauty, so those ones you can get for like $6, $7 something. So you can just add it into your box if you want, if you need. Okay, so yeah, those are the things. And till now I'm happy with the BoxyCharm, because till now I didn't feel in any way that I'm getting the same things every time. So yeah, that was the good part. So I can deal with this. And moreover, since the time I have done this, so every month, that means I'm spending $40 on a makeup, and I just don't go anywhere and buy any more makeup. I just see that, okay, whatever I need, my basic stuff, they can easily send me every month, right? Because I have asked for mascara, which I use every day. I ask for eyeliner, which I use every day. I love lipsticks. If I have like hundreds of lipsticks, if I want to say that, because I do have a lot of lipsticks. So there's addition to that. And then makeup palette, I didn't have the pinks in my makeup palette, so I got those. So yeah, I don't need to go out and spend money on my makeup or my skincare, because even in the skincare, serums and masks, they are really good brands. So yeah, I spent $40, sit at home, and every month I get good products. So not a promotion, but I think it's a good deal to have it if you are a makeup or skincare lover. So yeah, and hopefully you have liked this video, BoxyCharm video, and we'll see what I'm gonna go, what they're gonna send me next time. We'll see that. But till then, bye bye.